Hello my crafty friends, and welcome again to my channel. Look what I have in front of me today. This is Club EP, Echo Park's new card kit, and I just got it in the mail a couple days ago, and I wanted to open it on camera. I want to tell you a little bit about Club EP. They are in Provo, Utah. It's every other month subscription. It's $29.99. If you subscribe, you'll get a kit every other month. They will announce it on the first day of that month. It's 6 times a year, every other month. They'll announce on the first day of that month what it is, what it looks like, and then they will start shipping on the 20th. So it's free shipping with a subscription, and one of the member benefits is you get 10% off any orders from their outlet store. And the kit is comprised of any papers collections from Echo Park or Carta. So let's get started. Okay, here's some information on different things they have. And it's all wrapped up. Wow. Okay, first we have some advertising for other goodies they have. And this is the Farmhouse Market ephemera. So we have ephemera. We have cute little puffy stickers. We have a stamp set, flowers, and lampshade. I'm not sure what that is. Beauty, happy day, thanks. This is our happy. Clipboard looks like. I'm not sure what that is. Heart. This is us. Thank you, butterfly. And a few little more flowers. We have washi tape. Beautiful matching washi tape. We have chipboard accents. And we have the paper. All right. Okay, this looks like a sticker sheet. Okay, here's a sticker sheet. Very cool. Yeah, this is a lamp. It's got a lot of the same stamps I go with. Okay, you got your butterfly and your heart. Okay, so there's a sticker sheet and all kinds of awesome papers. Beautiful check. Two-sided, of course. Wow, that's really pretty. Oh, yeah. I love that light, kind of minty color. And that would be cool for a scrapbook, or cut a corner of it to put on a card. And this is just text from a book. And these are bookshelves, library shelves. Real pretty green, vintagey green color. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that farmhouse with all the flowers. How cool is that? And here's a bold plaid. Oh, look at that. Wow. Look at those flower baskets. And here's some strips that you can cut. Or you can use this, which is just gorgeous. Oh my. Oh, and here's a beautiful piece. Again, you could use as for a scrapbook page. Sorry, excuse me. Scrapbook page layout. Or just cut in pieces to put on a card. Each of these corners. And then we have, this is really similar to the spring market. Oh, and here's a beautiful little plaid. We've got light pink, we've got dark pink, we've got green and blue. Very cute. Oh, and here's cut aparts. All right. Very cute, very nice, perfect. And here's, like I said, you can use this cut apart or you could use the scrapbook size paper for this. Very nice. Oh, and here's a gorgeous pink buffalo check. And here's all these little tags that they also had in the spring market collection. It's cute. It's a like a ready-made tag. And here's some more. Remember in the library, the Dewey Decimal System, the card catalog came in these drawers. Yep, I remember those. And here's some beautiful flowers. All right, very nice. Beautiful pink and some more cut aparts. Very nice. And here's a dark pink pattern. And beautiful flowers. Rose or rose-like flowers. So I love this kit already. It's going to be beautiful. I will be using this to do 10 cards, 1 kit with these, as well as probably use it for the Show Us Your Sheet Load. I will put all the information about Club Echo Park down in the description box. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'm going to have a lot of fun with this kit. See you soon. Bye-bye.